Hi there, crafting friends! I'm so excited to share with you today one of the newest releases from the May online exclusives. And it's absolutely perfect for all of you flower lovers out there. Say hello to the gorgeous Floral Impressions Suite. This suite has everything you need to create beautiful floral-inspired projects. The Floral Impressions 12x12 Designer Series paper is simply gorgeous. You can use it as a full background for a bold look, or just as a simple layer to highlight other elements on your card front. Whether you're a card maker, a scrapbooker, or love 3D projects, this paper is going to be your new go-to for floral-inspired projects. Now let's talk about the Impressions of Bloom bundle. This includes the Impressions of Bloom photopolymer stamp set and coordinating dies. The dies include a couple of frames, which are great for adding sentiments, messages, journal entries, and more. The stamp set also includes highly usable builder sentiments like I appreciate you, thanks, so very much, and more. One of my favorite things about this bundle is how perfectly it coordinates with the Designer Series paper. It really makes designing your projects so much fun. And I've got to give a special shout out to the Pressed Flowers Embossing Folder. If you love adding a touch of dimension and texture to your projects, this is a must-have. Just run your cardstock through the embossing machine, and suddenly you've got a beautiful detailed floral background that truly pops. It's such a simple way to bring your creations to life with that extra bit of flair. Now here's a fun trick with the stamp set. You can actually stamp the stem twice to make it longer. It's a super easy way to customize your floral designs. And don't stop there. Play around with adding your own leaves to create a completely unique greenery image. The flexibility with the stamp set is just amazing. And for those finishing touches, we've got the Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink gems. These gems add a little sparkle and elegance to any project because inside these gems are gold foil, which truly makes them pop. Plus, also included in this suite are the foiled frames and labels Ephemera pack, which is designed to work perfectly with the stamps and greetings from the set, so you can create those polished, professional-looking designs with ease. They're also great for a variety of projects, which makes them a must-have for any crafting project. Whether you're an experienced crafter or just getting started, the Floral Impressions Suite is going to give you so many options to play with. It's fun, versatile, and truly a flower lover's dream. I can't wait to see what you create. Comment down below on your favorite product in this suite. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And to learn more about the suite and more from the May online exclusive, be sure to reach out to your demonstrator today. Happy crafting!